If you're a content creator or small business owner, you might have heard of the Zeely AI app. But is it actually worth using? Zeely is an AI-powered tool that helps you create social media captions, product descriptions, emails, and more, all in seconds. Just type in a few details and it generates copy ideas for you. It's super fast, works on mobile and desktop, and even lets you tweak the tone: casual, professional, funny, etc. That's great if you struggle with writer's block or just want to save time creating content. But here's the catch. While Zeely works well for quick drafts, it's not magic. You'll still need to edit and personalize the output to match your voice. And compared to tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, Zeely feels more casual than enterprise level. So, is it worth it? If you're a beginner or just need help getting started with content creation, yes. But if you're a pro looking for advanced AI writing features, you might want something more powerful. Let me know if you've tried Zeely AI. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.